7058 here in Club Level at Wilderness Lodge. So I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. We have the thermostat right here when you walk in. We have a sliding barn door which connects to the bathroom. In your closet, oh wait, because we are staying Club Level, they have given us 2 robes. That'll be really nice. And slippers, and I believe these are ours to keep. So we'll have slippers. Oh my gosh, very exciting. We have a luggage rack in there. Oh, not luggage, you know what I'm talking about. It's little luggage, Spellman, caddy things. We actually have, yeah, we have one. And extra pillow and blankets here, lots of hangers. We have a handheld steamer. This is my favorite because we had at the last resort, we did not have a handheld steamer. So very excited about that. We had an iron at Yacht Club, which honestly surprised me.
Mommy, the castle!
Oh my gosh, don't tell me. Okay, hold on one second, sweetie pie. Because we are staying Club Level, they've given us an extra touch by giving us a little rug here. And this is like a little rock formation that they have in all the rooms here at Wilderness Lodge. We have a double sink vanity. We get some lights on in here. And they've given us complimentary, what is this? Dental kit. Oh, toothbrushes. They've given us a little bit more things. I just knocked it over, but whatever. So yeah, double vanity, full-length mirror, vanity mirror. We have some towel hooks right here, and we have a hair dryer, extra toilet paper. Okay, if you don't hear my daughter, she's very excited about our view, so I'm gonna surprise myself here because it seems exciting. All right, we have a shower with the formerly known as H2O products. It looks like they are changing over to everything. At our previous resort, Yacht Club, I forgot to mention that they don't have these installed yet.
Mommy, the castle!
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go there right now, Mama. We have a big rain shower head. Okay, Mommy's coming right now. And I love this. They have this in all the bathrooms. We have this when we just stayed in June, so you'll have to check out that other room tour if you're not staying Club Level. This room is very similar. Over here we have a Keurig machine. Now they do serve, if you saw my video, they do serve coffee and espresso and everything in Club Level. So I guess if you want it in the middle of the night or whatever, then you're welcome to have it in your room. They give you glass, like actual glasses and kid cups. Excuse my family here being so loud in the background. This is a mini fridge. I say this in all my videos, but just so you know, generally milk does not stay good more than 24 hours in here, speaking from experience. We have a connecting door if you were having an adjoining family. Now all the beds at Disney, they're converting over to these lofted beds, so it's great. The full-size luggage does fit under there. Alright, so we have 2 queen-size beds here, which would be perfect. We had a king at our last one. We do have a bathtub, I forgot to mention that. So we all like stayed in the same bed, which is pretty much how we roll at home. So I was hoping they were gonna have the birthday slogan up here for my daughter, but it's fine. We got this on our TV. Under the TV is pretty standard at all Disney resorts here. There's 4 plugs, 4 USBs, 2 on each side of both. We have 6 drawers so you can unpack your packing cube and put them in there. Over here we have the Hey Disney, which is really fun. You can it's disabled right now, but anytime you want to put it on, then it goes over. You can ask the weather. Hey Disney. Hey Disney. What's the weather for today?
The current weather is 95 degrees Fahrenheit with hot and sunny skies. Today, you can expect some sun and thunderstorms. with a high of 95 degrees and a low of
Mommy,
77
that's
degrees.
the rain.
Yeah.
I just love it when it's sunny in Arendelle.
Oh my
Normally,
gosh.
I wouldn't say
Yeah,
this
so
out
basically
loud,
like
but
your Alexa
I'm
at
totally
home.
gonna admit.
Oh, and I guess she also answers to the Alexa. Okay, so then you have two USBs, 2 ports on both sides of the bed here.
Mommy, I'm the closet.
And
I
one-
better change my shoes.
Okay, take off your shoes, please. We have lights on both sides of each bed. And this is like a little nesting table here. So this is perfect for kids. This is perfect for kids here. You can have 2 tables. You can bring it up to the bed. Oh my gosh, just excuse my family. Over here along this side of the bed, there's like a little nightstand there against the wall with another 2 plugs. So yeah, totally a lot of space. Now, let me see what is this view that they have been, oh my God. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Oh my gosh. How amazing is that view? We have a view of the Contemporary, you can see Space Mountain, and you can see Magic Kingdom. Like, what a great, so amazing. We are so blessed and so lucky. And you can see like the cabins down there. Wow. This is just amazing, this view. Alright, so I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed our first club level stay here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge.
Mommy, castle.
I see it! Oh my gosh! If we're not already friends, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe. Go ahead, ring the bell so you'll be notified anytime I release future content. Give this video a like, it really does help to support the channel, and we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.